This is our code for our game. We have 3 different files: main.py, hangman.py, which is the stages of how we draw our hangman, word.py, which is a bunch of words that we got from the internet for our game. So we basically have just importing the word list and importing hangman, and then we just pick a random word from hangman.py, and then for playing our word, we have word completion, which is the length of our word in underscore spaces like here. And then we have guessed, if you already guessed the word. And guessed letters, which is a list, and these 2 are lists, and then the number of tries. So then we print all of that. And then here we just have enter a letter, and if it's already guessed, like in guessed letters, we print you already guessed it. And if it's just not in the word, we just say it's not in the word and subtract the try. And then if it is in a word, we just add it to the word list. And then here basically it's just if the length of the guess is the length of the word, it's already in guessed words, we say you already guessed the word. And then if it's the guess isn't word, we print that it isn't the word. And then else if it is guessed is true, and else if like none of this works, if we just print it's not a valid guess because it's not from A to Z. And then we just still print this again. And then if guessed is true, you print you guessed the word, and if you ran out of tries, you print you ran out of tries and the word was whatever the word was. And then because we didn't like call our functions anywhere, in def main we have the word that is chosen from the list, and then we have just playing the word. And then if the name of the file is main.py, we just run it.
When you are running the code, you can run it like right here. And when a letter is entered, a lowercase or an uppercase, you can see that this letter is part of the word. So it'll show you A is in the word. However, if you enter a number such as the number 9, it'll show you that this is not a valid guess, and it'll repeat your guess and the hangman position will not change. Even when you enter an uppercase letter, for example, an uppercase R, it'll show you that it is in the word, or if it's not in the word, and it'll show you where it goes. However, if you enter the same letter, a lowercase or an uppercase, it'll show you that you already guessed that letter, and it'll let you retake that guess, and the hangman position will not change. So if I enter, for example, a J, so J is not in the word. As you can see, another part of the hangman has been added, and it will show you that J is not in the word. However, over here, it shows you that R is in the word. So this code makes it very clear to show you whether or not the letter that you put is in the word or if it's not. Last but not least, if I enter many letters, and after a while, it'll show you that you ran out of tries. The word was repaired. It shows you the word, and it'll let you know that you ran out of tries. So if you want to replay this game, you can run this again, and a new word will show up for you.
So here's how it works. You can choose any letter you want, and then you just input it, press enter, and you keep guessing your way until you either lose or you guess the word. That's our game, Hangman.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope you liked our game.
Thanks.
Thank you.